Now we are in the question number 4 of exercise 1.1. We are doing the problems in the Arrow's formula. Here, when you read this question, find the area of triangle of if two sides are given as 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and also perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. How we are going to calculate the area? If you know all the three sides, you can go for the semi-perimeter calculation, and then we have Arrow's formula. But in this question, there is a slight difference. That is, perimeter is already given. First side is given, second side is given, third side is missing. If third side is missing, you can't directly jump into the Heron's formula. First, you need to calculate that missing side. Okay. To calculate this, I am going to use this given information in the solution. Okay. Already you know that we know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to a plus b plus c. Right? This is the basic formula of perimeter of triangle. Sum of all three sides. What is perimeter of triangle? That is given as 42. What is the value of A here? 18. What is the value of B? 10. C is missing. Let us keep it as it is. 42 is equal to 28. 18 plus 10. 28 plus C. C is unlike that. We can't add it to the 28. So don't try 28 C. It should be 28 plus C. Then if you bring 28 or LHS, it will become 42 minus 28 is equal to C. Then 42 minus 28 is nothing but 14, or you can write C is equal to 14 centimeter. Right? Try to find the way to calculate the missing number. C is nothing but 14. Here I can take it as C. Then what is the value of S in this problem? You can go for A plus B plus C by 2, or even you can try with perimeter by 2. Already perimeter is given in the question, so no need to go for A plus B plus C by 2. You can directly write perimeter by 2. So perimeter by 2 is nothing but 42 by 2, which is 21 centimeter. Now let us find the answer by using Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S? S is 21 in this situation. 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14. Then 21 into 21 minus 18, 3, 21 minus 10, 11. This is 21 minus 14, it's nothing but 7. Okay. Then we have calculate any number 2 times in the square root. Look at this. I can write 21 as 7 3s are. If it is possible to write 7 3s are, let me write this 3 as it is. So look at this, be careful. 21, I converted 21 as 7 into 3. This 3 as it is we are writing. This 3 we are writing as it is. 11 also I can't change. 11 is also prime number. 3 is also prime number. 7 is also prime number. You can't do any changes. Now at the end of this, can you make group of numbers? 7, 7. First group I am taking outside square root. 3 and 3. Second, it is again out of square root. 11. You don't have another 11. So if there is another 11, I can make group and I can take outside square root, but only one 11, so it should be inside the square root. You can't neglect the square root of 11 like how we neglected the square root of 1. Square root of 11 is not again 1, so you write as it is. What is 7 into 3? So we can multiply rational number with a rational number, so 21 root 11 centimeter square is the answer for question number 4 of exercise 12.1. So pause the video and take down the information in your classroom. I will be coming with question number 5. Let us start question number 5 of exercise 12.1. When you read this question in the textbook, there is a side of a triangle and it is given in the form of 12 is to 17 is to 25. If it is 12, 17 and 25, it will be very simple for us. You can take A as 12, B as 17 and C as 25. it is not 12, 17 and 25. It is 12 is to 17 is to 25. So we need to take, when there is a ratio, you need to take x at the beginning. Let x be some length. Okay, if x is some length, you can write a as 12x, b is 17x, c is 25x. Okay, so first side is 12x, second side is 17x, and third will be 25x. With that x ratio, every side are dependent. Now there is another information you can observe. Perimeter is 540. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to a plus b plus c. Perimeter is 540. What is a? Just now we calculated a. A is not just a 12, it is 12x. Since it is given in the form of ratio, when you take x here, 17x, 25x. 540 is equal to, add everything. So if you add everything, so it will be 19, 29, then you will be having 54x. Then cross multiply. So when you cross multiply 540 divided by 54, so value of x is 10 centimeter. Here 540 centimeter, so it should be 10 centimeter. If x is centimeter, what is a? A is 12x, it will become 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter. What is B? B is 17x, so it will be 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. Then what is C? 25x, 25 into 10, that is 250 centimeter. Okay, these are all the actual values of ABC, not just 12, 17 and 25. It should be 120, 170, 250. When you add these three, you should get the perimeter of 540. Of course, you are going to get this. If you add, you can observe you will be getting 540. Now we can come back to our previous calculation. First, you need to calculate semi-perimeter. A is equal to perimeter by 2 or A plus B plus C by 2. Both are correct. Since perimeter is already given, I am choosing perimeter by 2. 540 by 2, so that is nothing but 2 is 1 carry, 70, 270. Okay. Now area of triangle is equal to square root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S? 270. 270 minus A. A is not 12, A should be 120. 270 minus 170. 270 minus 250. Try to calculate and you should write same number inside the square root. It is 270 into 120 minus, so 270 minus 120. So it will be 150 into 100 into 20. Now you need to write same number inside the square root. There are many different ways. You can go for 27 into 10, 15 into 10, 10 into 10, or even you can try with 30 into 9, 30 into 5. There are many different ways. I will try to solve this problem by choosing 39. Okay. Even if you find it difficult, you can go for 27 tens. 39s are 3 9s will be 27, so 39s is 2. This is 35. 3 5s will be, so 35 should be 150. Then this is 10 into 10, and this will be 2 into 10. Can you make group of numbers? 30 into this is the one group. 10 into 10. Another group. Do you have any other group? No, only this. Then let us try to calculate here. I'll rub this and I'll try to continue. Okay, so 130 will be outside, 110 will be outside. The remaining elements are 9, 5, 2 and 10. This is 300. You can write 3 threes into 5 into 2. 10 is nothing but 5 twos. Okay. Now can you take same numbers 3, 2, 5. So we can have pay for all those numbers. Then 300 is already outside. 1, 3. Now you can take outside square root. 1, 5 outside square root. 1, 2 outside square root. So if you multiply 300 3s are 900. 900 into 10, 9000 centimeter square. This will be the answer for area of the triangle. If its ratios are 12:7:17:25 and perimeter is 540, you need to calculate ABC in the beginning by taking x as some length. Afterwards calculate semi-perimeter. Then you go for the Heron's formula. Again in the Heron's formula you have to be more conscious with this calculation. Keep same numbers 2 times inside the square root so that you can make group and bring it outside. Finally, we will be having 9000 centimeters square. Pause the video and try to take down this in your classwork. Then I will be coming with the next problem. Let us start the last problem of exercise 12.1. When you read the question, there is an isosceles triangle and it has perimeter of 30 centimeter. So isosceles, what is speciality of isosceles triangle? When it is equivalent triangle, all 3 sides are equal. If it is isosceles triangle, only 2 sides are equal. Except base, other 2 sides are equal. This is the question based on an isosceles triangle. When it is isosceles triangle, you can take 2 sides as equal. I am taking A is equal to 12, B is also 12. And one more length is missing, that is C. Still they are asking area of triangle. First, if you want to calculate the area of triangle, if you want to use the Heron's formula, you should know A, B, C clearly. But C is missing. When C is missing, try to calculate C first by using the given information. Afterwards, we can go for our usual calculation of Heron's formula. How you are going to calculate? In the solution, we can start with, we know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Then perimeter is already given. 30 is equal to A. A is 12. Since it is isosceles triangle, B is also 12. C you can keep as it is. 30 is equal to 24 plus C. If you bring this side, 30 minus 24 is equal to C. C is equal to 6 centimeter. 30 minus 24 is nothing but 6 centimeter. Now let us try to calculate by using C. You can go for S and also area. You can use perimeter by, even you can use A plus B plus C by 2. Since already perimeter is given, instead of going for the calculation, you can directly write perimeter by 2. Perimeter is 30. 30 by 2, 15 centimeter. Okay. Now area of triangle by using Heron's formula will be area of triangle square root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. When it is S minus A, S minus B, S is 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, what is C? 15 minus 6, 6, 12 and 12. Now to simplify this. 15, 3, 15 minus 12, 3 into 9. Okay. Then can you write 15 in any other ways? 15 can be written as 5 into 3 and this is again 3, already 3 and this can be written as 3 into 3. Now try to make the group of numbers. These two are group, these two are group. From this group I am sending one number outside. From this group I am sending one number outside. Then it will be 5 into 3. Okay. Then what is 3 3s are? You can multiply rational with the rational, irrational with the irrational. 3 and 3 are rational numbers. So 9, 5 and 3 are inside square root. You can't make the pair of 5 and 3. So you have to keep as it is. 5 3s are Don't multiply these two. It is not possible to multiply rational with the irrational number. So this is the final answer. You can keep the answer as 9 square root of 15 centimeter square. Still there is a way to calculate square root of 15 that will be discussed in your next exercise. So I request you to pause the video and copy it in your notes.